Jeff Schaefer with Cheyenne Fire Rescue Fire Prevention, and today we are checking the batteries in our smoke alarm as we are coming up on time change. So we checked our battery and maybe even replaced it, but we also need to check the date on our smoke alarm. As you can see, this smoke alarm is much older than the 10 years, and it is time to replace our smoke alarm. They become dirty with dust, oils, and everything out of our home throughout their lifespan, and they become less sensitive. So we have now obtained a new smoke alarm that has been manufactured within the last 10 years. So we install our new batteries and install the new smoke alarm. Some may be different, so you may need to reattach the smoke alarm to your ceiling or your walls. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions and recommendations. They are included in your pamphlet that you received with the smoke alarm. The biggest rule for this type of smoke alarm was the best location is the ceiling, acceptable is on the wall, but no closer than 4 inches into a corner. And as you can see, our smoke alarm is mounted greater than the 4 inches down on the wall in the acceptable location. And if you have vaulted ceilings, measuring horizontally from the peak, as long as you're within that 3-foot zone of either side of the peak, most manufacturers recommend the installation of their smoke alarm there. For assistance, information with smoke alarms and smoke alarm batteries, Cheyenne Fire Rescue and Cheyenne Fire Rescue Fire Prevention are available at 307-637-6311.